So Erica, just, for our listeners, what, in your opinion are, besides the APOE, what are some, maybe just a few other markers that are really important to look at if you're concerned about your brain health and you want to prevent dementia, Alzheimer's, or really any type of neurodegeneration?
Yeah. So FUT2 plays a big role with B12, making sure you've got enough of the bifido bacteria. It plays a role with just how much diversity and abundance of it you have.
Okay.
And I don't know if you know this, but the bifidobacteria actually make folate, B12, biotin, riboflavin, and a couple other B vitamins right within our gut, in our colon, actually. And we have this specialized system that the body can absorb it right away. So even if we have these genes that's maybe say that, you don't convert folate as well, or you don't convert B6 as well, our body's so clever that it uses the bacteria in our guts as this little backdoor mechanism to keep us well plenished. So FUT2 is a big one because of the bifidobacteria as well. MTHFR, it's not the one gene that defines you, even though many people feel it does. But it does play a big role just in recycling homocysteine, which again is inflammatory, especially for the brain. We really want to keep that level down. Conversion of folate to the form that the cells can use, and then making neurotransmitters and detoxification. And then I also think these GST group of SNPs are really important because they're glutathione based.
Okay.
And so you have things like GSTT, GSTM1, GSTP, and these are going to, specifically the GSTT is going to play a role with vitamin C as well as glutathione. And glutathione is so important to help your body really do its detox, and especially for the brain as well. So again, just knowing that information, and hey, if your enzyme doesn't work as well as mine doesn't work as well as yours, it's okay.
Right.
That's not something that we need to be depressed or sad about, because we can help support that either through diet or some supplements.
Right. Yeah. Well, thank you for sharing that, because I think it's important that people know that there's just more than one gene, and there's a lot of different ways to support the body in, staying healthy and having optimal health actually throughout your whole life, which is what we all want, right? Yeah. So, well, Erica, how can people, find? I think you mentioned your website is toolboxgenomics.com, right?
Exactly.
And are there any special instructions for them once they get to your website, if they want, if they already have their 23andMe data?
No, it's really clear.
Okay.
So it's on there. If you've done Ancestry as well, we can accept Ancestry data to get health information. But you'll just click, if you have Ancestry, you have 23andMe, you sign up, you upload your data, you'll answer some questions just so we can further personalize it about ethnicity or gender, because those can play a difference in the genes that you have or that you express. And then we'll generate the report for you. And then, now you get to actually own your health instead of outsourcing it, which I think is really exciting.
Yes, I love that. Absolutely. And then soon, as you mentioned, you'll have the kit where
that's right.
They can just actually go through you, don't have to have results already.
Exactly.
They can do their genetic testing through you. Well, that's awesome. And I highly encourage everyone to do that, because the report is awesome. I've done it myself, and really, really, like Erica said, valuable information, but things that you can implement right away, easy to implement.
Yes.
And then I want everybody that is concerned about their brain health, or just really wants to make sure that their brain is working for them, through their entire lifespan, to check out my Revitalize Your Brain program at nutritionwithbeth.com. And then also go to Toolbox Genomics, so that when we start working together, you already have that information. So Erica, thank you so much for joining me today. It was so much fun. And until next time, right?
That sounds great. Thanks so much, Beth.
Okay. Bye, Erica.
Bye-bye.